For finance teams, creating insightful reports is essential. While that work is powerful, it's manual, time-consuming, and repetitive. That's where the report agent in Drive AI comes in. It lets you create and refine reports using plain English, grounded entirely in your Drivetrain workspace. Let's start with a simple request. Create a headcount dashboard with KPIs and line charts showing trends. Drive AI interprets the request and calls the report agent, which looks at the metrics and dimensions available in my workspace and builds a report automatically. It creates KPI charts for metrics like current headcount and full-time employees, includes line charts that show headcount trends over recent quarters, and adds a table showing the headcount movement from opening to closing, all laid out in a logical structure. Now let's refine it. Add attrition and employee retention metrics. Drive AI remembers the context and updates the report. No setup, no rework. And because this is a normal Drivetrain report, I can still edit anything manually if I want. I can click into the report and make changes myself. For example, I can rename a chart just by clicking on the name and typing. I can adjust the time range. I can also add new charts by clicking on the add icon and reorder them to match how my team reviews headcount. The report behaves exactly like any other Drivetrain report, so I keep full control. Drive AI just helps me get there faster. Finally, sharing is just as simple. I can say, share this report with Paul Aaron. The report is instantly shared with the right access. No exporting, no extra steps. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, you move straight from intent to a working report. Faster. That's the report agent in Drive AI, turning plain English requests into production-ready reports.